fall over on your side, doing the LOL dance. And I want to be sitting here going, you son of an internet user. But as you can probably guess, I'm going much more above and beyond what Billy Bob Joe's computer shop's going to do. At this point, he'd just be like, oh, screw it down. And yeah, it'll work for a while. A while. Now, there's 2 screws there. I remember where they go. They go. I remember where they go. There is the hole. I'm going to check that for threads. Another great use of your dental pick. See, there's actually threads in there. Right at the edge. Great. Perfect. It helps me confirm that this is indeed the valid screw hole. Flathead. Silly wabbit. Flathead screwdrivers don't work on Phillips. When at 10 times the size. Yeah. Forceps for the win. Here we go. That plugs in there. Something I noticed is that there's some residue. Could be a liquid that was spilled on here on this laptop. Hopefully that is not the case. It's just some weird adhesive. But that looks like it's coffee or probably not coffee, probably hot chocolate. It smells a little bit like coffee. But then again, after how long it's probably been in there, who knows? It smells like shit. So here's our screen. We got screws. We got cables. And we got the internet. Welcome to Billy Bob's Internet Emporium. I'm here to provide you the best possible internet experience. try and get at least one in. Hold that in place. Here we go. And as always, provide good support to the monitor when you can. It's a lot harder to do it when you're putting the screws back in. Not sure what that switch is for. That's a pretty stupid location for a switch. At F10, it's up right side up, so I understand why that switch is there like that, but in the land of internet, sometimes you aren't king. So I know where that one goes. Now we get to ever so carefully route these cables. Where did my stick go? Another use of the infamous black stick. Thinking you gotta go under here. The reason I'm trying not to bend the wires is, as I said before, it helps you figure out exactly the routing for these wires and exactly how it hooks back up. So you go through and you bend them, and anyway, you ruin kind of that natural little freeze that they got to them, I guess you could say. Permanent styling, whatever you'd want to call it. And I'm at the point where that's starting to come into effect. So I'm going to just peel this up. Lay that down. To be straight up honest with you, it really doesn't make a damn bit of difference. In my opinion, because I've even deliberately tried them backwards and they seem to both have the same reception, same response. I mean, seriously. Really does seem to be the same.